back. So in our previous video we installed some of the things that we need for React devel- native development for iOS. So basically we installed React native CLI, and after that we installed xcode because it's a brand new Mac, so I need to install everything from scratch. So I did that, and after that uh, in my background I did some other installation to work my xcode and React native CLI in my environment. So based on everyone system operating system and what version of their Mac OS, probably you will have some dependencies that you need to install. So basically you need to check whenever you are getting some errors, you need to check that with Stack Overflow, and you need to, after that you can run React native CLI in your system. But the main thing, you need to install homebrew, so then you can install various softwares, various packages without any issues. So install homebrew if there is nothing on your system, otherwise you will stuck somewhere by some dependencies. So you can easily solve that dependencies if you install Pro and then run different softwares. So here so after you install all dependencies, what will be the next step that I am going to discuss. So regarding that dependencies, you need to run a native CLI application. I will share some website URL, so you can refer that website if you check somewhere. So React native CLI, they are saying like the best place to refer to when you are doing initial setup, the official documents. So they're actually install brew install node, brew install watchman. So this is the first step they mention, and after that, after you install xcode, there is some more steps. The location, so if you are in a xcode preference, here you need to choose the version, xcode 14 or whatever. So I choose the latest one, and after that components, I didn't see any components we need in my xcode, so I skipped that step. And after that, the first step, you need to create a project, create a new app, React native iOS project. So copy this command and go back to your project directory. So in my case I have so many projects, and iOS test, because I need to be in the React folder. Then just check, I have two projects, iOS test and this one. So what I am going to do is I need to create a new project here. So which project I am going to create, that I am thinking right now. I have so many iOS application to be create. So the first one probably a photography application like the website that I am using. So if I can transfer that all things into an app, so it will be better for me, I mean, to manage that website through the app. The other one that I am focusing to create is like a online shop, so where the easy product, I will list some of the easy product that available in the market and the people are usually using, and I will probably deliver within a day or evening or something like that, something like that I need to create, but I didn't have any project overview or project plan for that, so I will skip that for now, and I will focus on that photography application. So my basic things, what I am going to focus is a blog, photo blog. So I will show you guys how I am planning to implement that. So here, so one of my photo blog, so I am planning to create a blog with the infinite loading. So here I can add blog post also, timeline also. Since I have already the backend built API is there, just connecting to the API is the only thing. So I can focus on my UI. So that's a good thing. So I will initially I'm going to create this one, and later I have one or two plans. One is this small shop online delivery option, and the second one is like a stock watch list. So I have some stock market things and stock market API, so I probably integrate that API to watch my stocks. So that are the two things I will do in future, but right now I will focus on this one. So right now I need to give a name, so I will give my website name. I don't know whether I need .com, that's fine. I'm going to create, so looks like it's not a valid name, so you cannot give .com here. So just give all the things, and it will take some time to download, some downloading templates and other things, and after that you can see all these things that mentioned in that website. So just visit this website and follow all the steps. Somewhere you will face some issues, errors, and search that error in Stack Overflow. It will take some time to fix that errors. I guess I took almost 1 hour or something. I have some Ruby issues, so based on your system and version of the OS you are using, it will take some time. So here, so this will take some time. We can come back on next video. Yeah, this one is done. So right now running the projects. So after that step is completed, you need to go to your project folder, and then inside that npx react native start address already in use, so probably this one, terminate. I'm terminating that, reloading app, press R. Okay, I guess we need to reload. Yeah, in for reloading app, I don't know how long it will take. Invariant violation, test app. Oh, okay, I know that. So Control X C React Native. I guess it will automatically happen. Okay, I will make it work on side and we'll come back on next video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.